To install the roof rack on your Polaris Expedition XP or ADV, follow these steps.
Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park and remove the key. Next, set the front and rear extrusion onto a soft surface with the shorter edge facing up. Then identify the left and right corner base pieces. The mounting hole will align with the edge of the platform extrusions. Also ensure that the U-face groove is facing up. Continue by installing the remaining corner base pieces. Next, arrange the platform extrusions so they mirror each other. Then, slide a side extrusion into each corner base with the mounting holes sliding under the platform extrusion. Before continuing, repeat this process for the remaining corner pieces. Then, align the mounting holes and loosely install 8 of the provided longer fasteners into the side extrusions. Next, position the planks under the frame assembly with the mounting holes facing up. Then, align the mounting holes and loosely install 4 of the provided longer fasteners into the plank. Before continuing, repeat this process for the remaining planks. Next, identify the left and right corner covers by comparing the mounting holes. Then, align the mounting hole on the corner cover with the corner base, and loosely install 1 of the provided shorter fasteners. Before continuing, repeat this process for the remaining corner covers. Before continuing, ensure the corner base tabs are inserted into the side extrusion. Next, attach the provided socket to the torque tool. Then, torque all fasteners using the included torque tool until it clicks. Next, align the underbar extrusions with the mounting holes on the underside of the planks. Then, install 12 of the provided longer fasteners into each underbar. Continue by torquing the underbar fasteners sequentially from one end and set the platform aside. Next, remove and discard the 5 frontmost roof fasteners. Then, with the product label at the front of the vehicle, align the roof rack backbone with the mounting holes on the roof. Continue by loosely installing 5 of the provided washers with the rubber side down and longer fasteners into the backbone. Then, repeat this process for the remaining backbone. Next, with the aid of an assistant, rest the platform on top of the backbones and align the mounting holes. Then, loosely install 5 of the longer fasteners in through the top of the platform. Before continuing, repeat this process on the remaining side. Next, torque the platform fasteners using the included torque tool until it clicks. Finally, reinstall the rear speaker if previously removed. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.